recently dropped a video about this Zoomex exchange some days ago, and in today's video I'm going to be talking more about this Zoomex exchange. So currently I've been using this exchange for trading these days, and it's very interesting based on the results and the trading tools and features that they have. So in this video I'm going to be talking majorly on the copy trading features that Zoomex exchange has, and it's very interesting. So before I continue, I want you to know that on my Telegram community I drop interesting updates, and I also drop trading signals there also, so you can see some of my trading signals, posts and updates that I'm dropping on my channel. So the channel is very interacting, and you can see it has a lot of engagement and posts there, so you can just join my community so that you'll be getting free trading signals, which I trade it on Zoomex. And you can see I've been trading on this exchange for some time now, and also I still appreciate people in my community for using this exchange for trading also. So I know many of you don't understand what is the meaning of copy trading. So copy trading simply means you automatically copy another trader's trade instead of trading by yourself. So it's a system designed for you to automatically copy another person's trade, either he be a pro trader or any of that. So immediately he enters any position in the market, your account also enter the position in the market also. So that's just a simple and brief explanation of copy trading. You don't really need to analyze chart yourself, you just follow someone who already knows how to trade, or a professional trader already. So for you to get your copy trading account set up on Zoomex exchange, when you go to the copy trading section, if you come to the home page, you can see the copy trading section here. So when you click on the copy trading section, it's going to take you to this section here where you can become a master trader, where other people can copy your trades, or you can follow other professional traders trades here. So you can see in 7 days, these are a list of professional traders which are currently available on the copy trading section here. So all you need to do is to first of all take note of their winning rate. Is very important. So you can see all of them here has a specific amount of winning rate. So here you can see win rates here in 7 days is 100% here, and you can see the second person, which is the X-Pro, win rate is about plus 83.33%, and you can see the other information down there. So if you go down, all of them have their specific winning rate, and you should not be aiming to go for the lesser winning rate. You need to go for the higher winning rate. So you can see most of them here have winning rate and some did not have. So let's say the first option here is this this guy here, which his name is Krelsomic. So on Krelsomic profile here, you can see that it has a win rate of about 100%, and you can see profit in 7 days is plus 105, and you can see followers profit in 7 days is 237.28 here. So if we go and check his profile, when we click on follow and you need to agree on this user agreement first, and when you agree and you check on it, you can see that Krelsomic has over 250 followers currently, and people that are currently copying his trade is about 48 persons. So this shows that yes, people are really copying his trade. And if you go down, you can see the trades which he enters. You can see the type of trade he trades and all that. So you can select any of these trades that you want to use. You want to be copying from this user, which is the Krelsomic, and you can enter your trading font here and the amount and all that. Then after then, you can set your margin mode. If you want it to be the same with the trader, you can set it there. You can set the leverage, you can follow amount multiplier, you can set up your take profit and all that. So after all that have been set, you can confirm it, and whenever this trader trades, your copy trading account will automatically copy his trade. And you can also on this notification so that you can receive notification anytime the person trade enter the trade and you save, and also your account have automatically placed the trades. So you can see customize section here, which you can still customize some option and all that. So this is how easy and simple it is to follow trade on Zoomex. Zoomex have made it very simple to understand. You can just come, check the traders who is performing well in the market or who is performing better in the market. You enter you check his copy trading results. You can see, and you can enter his trade directly. So you can also filter the days the rates. You can filter the days, and you can also filter the rates and all that. So you can go for 30 days. You can see people that are performing better in 30 days. You can see for 90 days. You can see people that are performing better for 90 days. So you can also switch it back for the 7 days and all that. So that's it, and this is how it really works. And also, if you're a professional trader and you want people to copy your trade on Zoomex, you can also come to this become a master trader icon here, which you click on. It's going to take you to this section where you can select a profile image, your nickname, mobile number, all this you do all this stuff. After imputing all this stuff, verifying yourself, then you can click on submit, and they review and approve you to become a copy trader. You understand? So this is if you don't want to copy someone's trade and you want someone to copy your trade, you can just come to this become a trader and do that, and automatically they are going to be copying your trade. So that's it, and this is what I have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have not yet gotten an account for yourself on Zoomex Exchange, I'm going to be dropping the details in the description section there, which you can use it and get an account for yourself. And you can also become a copy trader, or you can copy trading on the platform also. And if you want to, you are going to be getting free signals, whether it's free trading signals. You can also check out on my Telegram channel, which I showed you earlier in the video. All that are in my channel description. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And before you leave, make sure you like this video, share the video out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss interesting updates like this. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and stay blessed.